In this tutorial you are going to learn how to remove powered by and copyright from the GeneratePress theme. First, you need to install and activate the GP Premium plugin. You will find the link to this plugin below this video. Once the GP Premium plugin is activated, go to Appearance, GeneratePress, and activate the copyright module. Now, go to the front end of your website and click on the Customize link in the WordPress admin bar to open WordPress Customizer. Once WordPress Customizer panel is open, go to Layout, Footer, and enter a space in the copyright field. You can also enter any text that you want in this field. Whatever you enter in this field will replace the powered by and copyright text in the GeneratePress theme footer. Once you are done entering your desired text in the copyright field, hit the Publish button to publish your changes. And that's it. The powered by and copyright text is now removed from the GeneratePress theme footer. Okay. Now that you know how to remove powered by and copyright text from GeneratePress theme, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you liked this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.